This enormous hardwood tree is the starting point of a journey that will eventually create luxury furniture. The harvesting process has begun, and the giant hardwood tree is being separated from its roots for the first time. After decades of growth, the giant hardwood tree has completed its final moment standing in the forest. The trunk is now being prepared for transportation by removing branches and unnecessary material. The giant trunk is now being divided into massive logs that will begin the journey toward the wood factory. The giant tree has now become a collection of massive hardwood logs, ready for transport to the wood factory.
Specialized loading equipment is required to move timber of this size safely and efficiently. The harvested hardwood is now being prepared for its journey to one of the largest wood processing factories. The journey from forest to factory has officially begun.
The giant hardwood logs have arrived at the factory, where the transformation into luxury furniture will begin. The giant hardwood logs have officially entered the factory and are being transferred into the first processing area.
Before processing begins, the giant logs are organized and staged inside the receiving yard.
The logs are now entering the automated production system that will transform raw timber into finished products. Before cutting begins, the logs are thoroughly cleaned to remove forest debris and contamination. The cleaned logs are now ready for the next major transformation inside the factory. The first layer of the tree is now being removed, exposing the valuable hardwood beneath.
The debarking process removes material that is not needed for furniture production, revealing the valuable hardwood underneath.
The bark removal stage is complete, and the giant hardwood logs are now ready for conversion into lumber.
The logs are now being directed toward the sawmill, where the first major cuts will transform them into lumber.
The giant logs have reached the sawmill, where raw timber will soon begin transforming into lumber for luxury furniture production. This giant hardwood log is now entering the first cutting stage, where raw timber begins its transformation into usable lumber. After the first major cut, the timber moves deeper into the sawmill for more detailed processing. Instead of producing a single piece of lumber at a time, this machine creates multiple boards from one massive hardwood beam in a single operation. Before further processing begins, the lumber is organized into large bundles for efficient handling throughout the factory. The lumber produced in the sawmill is now entering a department focused on creating furniture-grade material. The rough surfaces left by the sawmill are removed here, creating smooth boards suitable for furniture manufacturing. Each board is analyzed so the factory can remove imperfections and maximize the quality of furniture-grade material. Before furniture parts can be manufactured, the wood must be carefully dried and stabilized to prevent future warping, cracking, or dimensional changes.
The hardwood boards are now entering a controlled drying chamber, where internal moisture will be carefully removed.
The drying process is complete, creating stable hardwood material suitable for precision furniture production. The wood is now stable, balanced, and ready to be transformed into actual furniture components. The hardwood boards have completed their preparation journey and are now entering the stage where actual furniture components will be created. The furniture manufacturing process begins here, where hardwood boards are converted into precision furniture panels.
The hardwood now begins taking the shape of real furniture components used in chairs, tables, and cabinets. Before assembly begins, every furniture component receives its final edge details and joinery features.
The manufacturing phase is complete. The next stage will transform these individual components into finished furniture.
Check the alignment on station 4. It's clear, keep it moving.
Multiple furniture products are assembled simultaneously, each following its own production line inside the factory. Multiple furniture products are assembled simultaneously, each following its own production line inside the factory. At this stage, the individual cabinet components have become complete furniture structures, ready for final preparation and finishing. Before color and protective finishes are applied, every furniture surface must be refined to create a flawless foundation. The sanding process is complete, creating an exceptionally smooth surface that allows stain and protective coatings to perform correctly. The stain enhances the natural beauty of the hardwood, revealing grain patterns that were previously hidden inside the wood.
After curing, the finish becomes durable, protective, and ready for years of everyday use.
Before shipment, every furniture product must pass a final quality inspection to ensure it meets factory standards.
Check the alignment on this joint here.
Yeah.
Looks good. Tolerances are within spec.
The furniture has passed inspection and now enters the packaging department, where it will be protected for transportation. Make sure the corners are secure on the mahogany table. Got it. I'm almost done with this batch. Individual furniture packages are now combined into larger shipment units for warehouse storage and transportation. The journey inside the factory is complete. The furniture is now leaving the facility and beginning its journey to customers around the world. The furniture has completed its factory journey and arrived at the distribution network that connects products with customers. We need these table collections prioritized for the showroom floor. Copy that, moving the chairs next.
Is the rosewood sustainably sourced?
Yes, we ensure all our premium hardwoods meet strict environmental standards.
What began as a giant tree in the forest is now a finished furniture collection ready for customers.
Manifest confirms the mahogany set goes out first.
Understood. Let's get this wrapped and onto the truck.
Watch the landscaping right there. Yeah, I see it. We're clear. Yeah. Keep coming.
The transformation is nearly complete. The wood that once stood in the forest is now part of everyday life. From a giant tree deep in the forest to handcrafted furniture inside a luxury home, the journey is finally complete.